Yes, basic. Oh, hi Violet. What are you doing?
I'm preparing our sample fabrics.
Oh, I saw your WeChat momentary
Okay.
Oh,
Right.
yes. Oh, this yes. Could you explain the baby diaper for me?
Okay, I like to. So here we have a sample baby diaper. Okay, so I will open it and to help you understand more clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see the whole baby diaper is made by Nonwoven fabrics, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the inner side and this is the outer side, and it also has the both sides.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And how can I get the Nonwoven fabric?
Okay, so we can use double S Nonwoven fabric making machine and the triple S Nonwoven fabric making machine to make fabrics for this baby diaper.
Oh, it's interesting.
Yeah, so
If you are in Nonwoven fabric or baby diaper,
yeah, so just feel free to contact us. We
Yeah.
can help you to know more about this. Yeah, thank you.